To remove the secondary cylinder, we need to take out this bolt that is the lower bearing pin. It has two thin plastic washers on the bottom, one thicker, one on top of the cylinder. Don't lose them. And we'll put this bolt aside. The bottom is loose already. So for the top, there is a small Phillips bolt. To access that one, you need either a short, stubby Phillips wrench or better, a ratchet with a Phillips bit in it. Unscrew this tiny bolt. Here's our Phillips bolt, and pull the rod end off the upper mounting pin or bearing. Here we are. We have the secondary cylinder. If you want to send this in to have rebuilt, obviously you need to take the hoses off. It takes a 14 or 15 millimeter open wrench to unscrew those.